Good habits for kids. Be clean, be kind, be healthy.
Morning habits. Wake up early. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a bath. Eat healthy breakfast.
Wake up early in the morning. Rise and shine.
I'm ready for a bright new day.
Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush, brush, brush.
I keep my teeth clean.
Wash your face to start the day. Splash, splash, splash.
I'm fresh and ready.
Take a bath and feel so clean. Rub, scrub, shine.
I'm clean and ready to play.
Eat fruits and vegetables.
Healthy food makes me strong.
Clean and healthy habits. Wash hands before and after eating. Keep nails short. Cover mouth when coughing or sneezing. Drink plenty of water. Keep your room clean.
Wash your hands before eating and after playing. Wash, wash, wash.
My hands are clean.
Keep nails short. Snip, snip, snip.
Healthy hands in every tip.
Cover mouth when coughing or sneezing.
Achoo, be polite and keep germs from breathing.
Drink clean water every day.
I stay healthy.
Put toys in the basket. Clean, clean, clean.
I love cleanliness.
Smart and learning habits. Read books. Learn something new daily. Do homework on time. Ask questions and be curious.
Reading helps you learn and imagine new things.
I love to read every day.
Learn something new every day.
I love to learn and grow.
Finish your work and be responsible.
I always do my homework on time.
Explore, wonder, and learn new things.
I love to ask questions and discover more.
Good social habits. Say please and thank you. Share toys and things. Listen to parents and teachers. Be kind to friends and others. Help others.
Use kind words and show good manners.
Kind words make kindness grow.
Share toys and help friends.
I am kind and helpful.
Listen to parents and teachers.
They guide you to do your best.
Be kind to friends and others.
A little kindness starts with you.
Help others.
A helping hand is a happy hand.
Good nature habits. Water plants. Don't waste water. Don't litter. Love animals. Water plants.
Help them grow up tall on top.
Don't waste water.
Saving every drop is a smart, kind deed.
Don't litter.
A tidy world is bright and green.
Love animals.
Be gentle and caring to them all.
Screen time habits. Limited mobile time. Watch educational videos. More playtime than screen time.
Limited mobile time.
Fun in the real world is worth exploring for sure.
Watch educational videos.
Smart choices help your brain grow too.
More playtime than screen time.
Run, jump, explore, and let your imagination shine.
Night habits. Pack your school bag. Brush your teeth again. Pray, thank God. Sleep early.
Pack your school bag.
Be ready for learning in a snap.
Brush your teeth again.
Keep your smile healthy every time.
Pray, thank God.
A grateful heart feels warm and bright.
Sleep early. Wake up early.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Magic words. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me.
Please, when you ask.
It shows respect and makes kindness last.
Say thank you with a smile so bright.
It spreads kindness left and right.
Say sorry when you make a mistake.
Keeps friendship strong.
Say excuse me when you need to pass.
Shows good manners. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.